Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy back, DRWP, baby. So this is gonna be a very special day for me, man. A very special day. Hopefully, I'm not too close to the camera. This is about like 8:30, 8:40 in the morning, a.m. So man, I decided to get rid of the Genesis. This is just it's a bittersweet moment, but it's also just I'm super excited, bro. I finally get a chance to get the car one of the cars I've always wanted. So it's just a very special moment for me, man. A very special occasion for real, man. I don't really have much to say. This gonna probably be this will be the last POV with the Genesis. I might upload the old videos that I have with the Genesis. Still upload them to the channel, but my channel is taking a turn, man. So bringing some new content for you guys, man. And I am truly excited, bro. I really am. I'm gonna give you guys the last cold start of the Genesis, man. And then after work today, I'll be making my way to the dealership. So it's a very, very exciting moment. And also, if anybody is interested, let me turn the camera around. I do have a quad exhaust for my Genesis that I was going to install, but you know, things happen. Didn't install it. So if you're interested in a Cat Pack exhaust system for the Hyundai Genesis, 2009 to 2011, 4.6 liter V8s only. I'm not too sure if it fit on the 3.6, but if you want to try it, hey, you're more than willing to have it. I will be able to ship it to whoever wants this exhaust system. So let me know. And here she is, my new vehicle, the car that has replaced my Genesis, my 4.6 V8 baby. But other than that, this is it, man. You know, I've been waiting a very long time to get a car like this, man. So I will be bringing everything to this channel with this vehicle. You know, everything I was doing with the Genesis, I'm gonna be bringing twice what I was bringing with the Genesis with this one. You know what I'm saying? Triple it. We're gonna triple it. We're gonna double it. You know what I'm saying? You know, go crazy with this car, man. But other than that, I did not record at the dealership when I took delivery of this vehicle. You know, just, you know, signing paperwork and all that good stuff like that, man. I got approved instantly. Got a very good interest rate on this car, surprisingly. You know, I didn't think interest rates were that low. But other than that, man, you know, this is it. This is it, man. It's hard work, man. Hard work pays off, bro. Good credit, all that whole nine, man. We'll be uploading a video as well. You know, letting you guys know how much I pay a month and all that good stuff, how much the car has been sold for. I'll let you guys get a quick peek in here right now. All right, excuse the little bit of mess, but you know, this is it, man. 38,000 on the dash right now, and mileage wise, not miles per hour, of course.